Hi friends, this is your ANR sir, welcoming you to ANR Academy. Study the following sentences. I am a teacher. The first sentence is I am a teacher. Second sentence is we are teachers. The third sentence is you are a teacher. Next sentence is he is a teacher. They are teachers. I go to market. I went to market. In the above sentences, if we observe very carefully, the verbs change according to person, number and tense. In the above sentences, the verbs change according to person, number and tense. You see, I am a teacher. What I did, I changed singular to plural. First person singular, I. First person plural, we. What I did, I took the plural subject, we. Then what happened? Am is changed to are. Am is changed to are. So what I did, again for am a teacher, I changed the person. From first person to I have taken second person, you. Then am changed to are. You are a teacher. In the next example, what I did, instead of first person, I took third person singular, he. Then what happened? He is a teacher. He is a teacher. Third person plural, they. They are teachers. So what happened here? When you change the person, then the verb form also changes. In the same way, let us see. I go to market. What I did, I changed the tense. Then go, change it to went. I went to market. I went to market. So what happened in the above examples, the verb form changes according to person, number and tense. Person, number and tense. The verbs that change according to person, number and tense are called finite verbs. What are finite verbs? Finite verbs are the verbs that change according to number, person and tense. Clear? Are you clear about finite verbs? What are finite verbs? Finite verbs are those verbs which change according to person, number and tense. Clear? So now let us study these sentences. I am going to market. I am going to market. I, first person singular. What I did, I have taken second person, you. So am is changed to are. Am is changed to are according to the person. You are going to market. So now I have taken third person singular as subject. Third person singular, he. He is going to market. He is going to market. Third person plural, let us take they. Then what happened? They are going to market. They are going to market. So what I did, I have taken I am going to market and I changed this sentence into simple past. I changed this into simple past. Then The above sentence change it to I was going to market. I was going to market. Suppose if I change the tense into, suppose if I change this tense into present perfect tense. So what happens? I have gone to market. I have gone to market. If you change the person, then you get you have gone to market. He has gone to market. So here you observe, when you have more than one, here you observe one thing. If you have more than one verb form, when you have more than one verb form, then one verb form doesn't change according to the person, number and tense, and the other changes. Clear? So the verb form which doesn't change is called non-finite verb. What we call it? Non-finite verb. In the above sentences, when we change the person, number and tense out of two verb forms, one verb form changes whereas the second verb form doesn't change. So the verb form that doesn't change according to the person, number and tense is called non-finite verb. Now a question comes, how to identify a finite verb and non-finite verb? In the grammar, you should be very clear to identify. You should be very clear. You should be able to identify. So, how to identify these finite and non-finite verbs? You see, we have 6 verb forms: V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 and V6. The finite verb forms are V1, V2 and V5. V1, V2 and V5 forms are called finite verb forms. That means simple present, simple past, and V5 means what? Verb plus yes. Looks, divides, that V5 form. And non-finite verb forms are V3, V4 and V6. V3 means what? Past participle. V4 means what? Present participle. And V6 means what? Infinitive. These three verb forms are called non-finite verb forms. I think today you understood what are finite verbs, what are non-finite verbs, and how to identify a finite verb and a non-finite verb. So again tomorrow I come up with a new lesson. Till then, have a nice day and thank you for watching my video. And if you like my teaching, do not forget to subscribe to my channel General English, all for competitive examinations. Thank you and have a nice day.